What is up, you guys? Bienvenidos a mi canal. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. In today's video, so you guys were by the title, I'm gonna be doing reorganizing my son's room. Disclaimer: this little section of the room, this wall, is currently our closet space, because where we had all of this stuff in our room, since we don't have a closet, now that's where his crib and all his diapers and stuff is. So I really want to move this stuff back in the room, but we would have to move him in here and have him sleep in here, so I don't know if I want to do all that yet. But anyways, this room is a disaster, and I don't know where to start, so I'm just gonna show you guys, and I'll probably just go from this area down that way.
Oh boy.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry, just because I need to leave don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little upset now.
Really? Alright guys, so it's a couple days later, and I haven't done anything else to the room. I ended up bringing that stuff over here that I have to put away in my room, but I just brought it right now. And then right here, as you guys can see, I have the rest of his clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing his clothes, and then I want to figure out how I can move the stuff that's mine and my boyfriend's out of there and put it somewhere else. But our room is like completely full, so we can't put it in here unless we move his crib back to his room, which we don't plan on doing yet. But yeah, just keep on watching. You guys will see the process though. It's a process. finally moved the stuff out of this side of the wall. We actually installed this censored light, so anytime we walk in the closet, it just, or honestly, anytime we walk like close to the closet, it'll turn on by itself. So good. Hold on, let me close these curtains because the neighbors probably looking at me. You guys, it's looking amazing. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, so let me show you guys. Actually, I can only show you guys after I put the crib